All right, class.
Yes.
Today we're going to be making the tablecloth on this wonderful flower still life that we have made. Everybody's gotten to this part. We've got our flowers up here, our vase here. Then we're going to put in a tablecloth. So I'm going to start by putting a line right here. And then a little bit more paint. A line right here. So from here down is going to be my tablecloth. I'm going to make it a checkered tablecloth. So I'm going to have a pattern. I'm going to make a couple lines. 1, 2. Let's make sure we have enough paint on your brush that you don't run out when you get to the bottom. 3, 4. I'm going to do one more line. I think you can fit one more in. 5. Alright, so those are my vertical lines, and I'm going to make my horizontal lines because a checkered is made up of here, and then one here. Running out of paint, so I'm going to refill my brush. Alright, that will probably be good for mine. So in a checkered pattern, is every box filled in black? No. It's going to be every other box. I'm going to start up here with this one, and I'm going to paint it in. Carefully filling up that whole box. Not going outside my lines. Very careful. Right? And then I'm going to move to this box? No. This box. Yes. Alright, so I'm going to paint in this box. Till it's all full. Scooch it up just a little. Alright. Then the next box I'm going to paint, and the next row is going to be right here. Because no black boxes should be beside each other. They're only touching in their corners. In a checkered pattern, only touching in those corners. Alright, so next I'm going to color in this box. And I'm just going to continue coloring in my checkered boxes till the whole tablecloth has that checkered pattern. And that's the first step of the day. Just a couple more here. 3 more little boxes. And I have one last box to fill in. And there I have my checkered pattern all across my tabletop. All right. And then the second step, if you finished your checkered pattern, you are going to move back up here to our flowers. And you're going to have a tray of neon paints, like this, to share at your table. Not a personal one, but to share. Black in your neon paints. And you're going to use some of these neon colors and paint in your flowers. Okay? Got some yellow there. And I'm going to put yellow down here too. A little bit over here. Here. And here. A little bit right there.
Pardon the interruption, Mr. Keith, please report to the office.
And I'm going to paint this whole circle right over top of my dried black paint so it won't smear. Paint that whole circle yellow. Okay. And I'm going to clean my brush. And I'm going to pick a different color. I'm going to pick, I think, maybe some pink. Paint in my leaves. Shh, class. Need to stay quiet. Pick one more color for this flower. And it's going to go in these petals. Alright, so I'm going to pick, I think, maybe a red. And I'm going to paint in all these petals around here with this red. And I can do different colors on my other flowers. And if I finish all of these steps, if I finish all of my steps, the tablecloth, and the flowers, I will put my piece on the drying rack. And then I will read a book on the art carpet. All right.